Imagine getting high quality leads delivered to you in under 60 seconds. No ads, no website, no funnel, just one button. That's exactly what people are claiming about something called AI Lead Automator. But is it real? Is it just hype? Or could this actually be the easiest way to get leads in 2025? Stick around. We've tested it, broken it down, and by the end of this video, you'll know whether it's worth it or just another shiny object. AI Lead Automator is a digital tool created by James Renouf, and it does something pretty wild. You choose a niche, pick a location, and in seconds, it scrapes the web using AI to find real verified leads. We're talking names, emails, if sometimes even social media links or business profiles, and all of it without needing a landing page, a paid ad, or a single line of code. Just open it, pick your market, hit go, and boom, the leads appear. It's kind of like the Uber of prospecting, minus the wait time and cost. Let's talk about what you actually get. The front end product, that's the base version, gives you access to the lead engine, unlimited niche selection, worldwide location targeting, and copy paste outreach templates. No bells and whistles, just raw, verified data you can use straight away. The smart bit? It's not just scraping random stuff. It uses intelligent prompts to pull fresh data, not those outdated lists from years ago. And yes, there are optional upgrades like auto email outreach, resell rights, and masterclasses on how to sell these leads to others. But even the basic version works perfectly fine to get started. Let me give you two examples. First, imagine you run an agency helping fitness coaches. You enter Fitness Coaches Plus Manchester. In seconds, you've got 50 to 100 verified coaches all ready for outreach. Pitch them your service, and boom, new clients. Second, someone we know started a side project helping therapists. They pulled 600 mental health leads, built a small directory, and sold access to the list itself. Total cost, $10 for the tool. Return, $400 in 1 week. Not bad for pushing a button, eh? So what's the catch? The good? No tech, no funnel. Works globally in any niche. Ideal for beginners, agencies, freelancers, even affiliates. You get leads in real time, not old spreadsheets from 2020. The not so good, you still need to message these leads yourself. Conversion depends on how well you pitch. Some emails may be generic, like info, unless you upgrade. You'll probably want an outreach tool or script to go along with it. Bottom line, this tool gets you in the door. What you do next, that's up to your strategy. This is perfect for marketers tired of ad costs, affiliate marketers who need real prospects, agency owners or consultants doing cold outreach, local businesses wanting new clients, even students flipping leads for side income. You don't need to be a techie. You don't need a big audience. You don't need to spend a single penny on traffic. You just need a plan and a bit of hustle. If you're tired of chasing leads, if you want to skip the ads, skip the funnels, and just start conversations with real people, click the link in the description. It's a one-time payment, no monthly fees. You'll be inside within minutes. But here's the thing. Tools like this don't stay cheap forever. James Renouf has a history of raising prices after launch. So if you want in and you want leads now, not later, tap the link below, grab your copy, and start generating leads today. This is your shortcut to doing what most people take weeks or months to figure out. Hit that link, get the edge, and go close your first deal today. Grab my exclusive bonus worth $747. If you decide to pick this up through my link, I've got a special bonus waiting for you, worth a tidy $747. It's designed to help you start making money online and scale up to $10,000 per month, even if you're starting from scratch. Here's how to claim it. Just take a quick screenshot of your purchase confirmation, send it over to me via Instagram DM, and I'll send the full bonus straight to you. No faff, no waiting around. You don't want to miss this. It's proper value and only available through my link.